What's going on, guys? It's Fitness with Flex, and today's quick tip number 7 is on discipline. Discipline is something that everyone needs in order to achieve any goal, especially your fitness goal. And I know a lot of people get scared when they hear the word discipline. It sounds like you got to wake up like at 4:30 in the morning and bang out 1,000 sit-ups, 1,000 push-ups. But in reality, discipline is just the art form of doing what you have to do when you don't want to do it. Now, many of you guys might be like, you know what, I'm not disciplined, I'm not going to be able to do it. But if you really think about it, everyone's disciplined in some type of way. You just have to translate it now to reach your fitness goal. If you've ever been on vacation and you had to save up money, you had to discipline yourself in order to save up the money. If you guys are going to school, you guys have to do homework, you guys have to take tests, you have to discipline yourself to study. You guys are going to work, you have to discipline yourself to wake up, actually go to work, and do what you have to do in order to get paid. So everyone has discipline. Just translate it for the goal that you want.